Do you want to know that how to unfollow everyone on TikTok? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, you have to open up your TikTok and then you will click on your profile into the bottom left, and then you will click on the three lines onto the top right here, and then you will click on settings and privacy, and then you will scroll down until you see this option report a problem, and from here you will click on this one account and profile, and then here you will click on this one editing profile, then you will scroll down and you will click on others, and here you have to click on no, and then you will click on this need more help, and then you will actually write something like this, and then you just have to click on this submit option, and after 1 to 3 days TikTok team will respond to you, and hopefully your problem will get solved. So we hope that you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions in your mind about the topic that we have covered today, we would love to hear it from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.